All right, here we are. Finally made it to Navarre, Florida. Say hi, Zayd.
Hi.
You excited to be here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's nice.
It's nice.
So this is happening. We are cleaning out our bumper pole. Matt is cleaning his truck just because he likes it clean. We have officially purchased a travel trailer. You know, with what we're doing and the lengths we're going to be staying in it, we just decided that the bumper pole was not big enough. So now we have to figure out where to put all of our stuff. So a lot of this stuff was weekend warrior stuff, and you know where we're going to next. We're actually going to put some of our nicer, normal home stuff in it. So yeah, we're saying goodbye. We like to call our trailer. It shouldn't officially have a name, but she was definitely good to us. And we would call her Shamu, and just because of the colors, but she was exactly what we needed for how long we needed it. But yeah, our next adventure, it's going to require a little bit more, I think, for us to be comfortable. So that's what we did. We just upgraded. You ready for this? I know. It's gonna be a long trip and somebody likes to get car sick. And that's why you got puppy pads. Look at these two back here riding in style. They each have their own dog bed. Yes. It's gonna be a long trip. In a couple days. Yeah. Look at me. You ready for this? What? Moving? You ready for the long drive? Yeah. You sure? Are you gonna be a good navigator for Dad?
No.
No? Well, that might be accurate. Hey, dude, did you practice your Google Maps?
Yes.
You're a man of many words. It's okay. Daddy will film you when you don't know it, and you'll just be like super loud and talking and all the things.
Well, you'll film Zane while he doesn't know it.
Yes, it's true. officially. It's our home for the next, I don't know how many years.
All right, here we are. Finally made it to Navarre, Florida. Say hi, Zaid.
Hi.
You excited to be here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's nice.
It's nice. We actually got here a day ago, but it's been raining until now, so kind of nice. There's Jai. Hello, Jai.
Hi.
Got our spot here set up. Pretty palm trees by the pool. Now we can go take a walk down to the beach. So how was the drive-in, Zaid?
Boring.
Boring?
Yeah.
So we drove for how many hours? You remember?
13.
It's about 16 hours, I think, total. Yeah, we did 16 hours. But we split it up. We stopped in Tupelo, Mississippi, and then came through the following day. So about 9 hours the first day, 7 the second. Not too bad. Just our microphone here. There we go. Ah, so cool little RV park. A lot of units go straight down to the beach though. Some pretty nice RVs, as the boys have pointed out. Find a favorite one, Zaid? Is that your favorite one over there?
Which one?
Yeah, Zaid likes this black one right over here. Like a $500,000 rig. He's got expensive taste. Don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably.
So they do have a little dog park here, which is nice. It takes dogs down to the sand, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Pretty cool little spot. The beach area down that we're walking down here to is really nice for an RV park. So this is actually on the bay and not quite on the ocean, but we'll show it to you as we get down there. Alright, so here's our walk down to the beach. Try to watch my step and not fall. Cool little like covered patio cabana area. Fishing dock. Oh, there's Jai. So cool little places to sit down. Nice on the water. So you can see out there where those condos are, that's where the ocean is. Yeah. Hard to complain about this location. Super nice. The boys like having the sand down here and being able to run around. And sunsets are rather spectacular.